Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Code Step by Step. Here with us Ankit Kumar from TCS company. So having 5 years of experience. So Ankit, would you like to would you like to tell us about your company and your environment? How was your colleagues with you and perks and facilities of your company? Please.
Yeah, sure. Regarding TCS, like it's a very well-known company, TCS, and I joined there fresher, and everybody know that there is a ILP program. Most of us know that there is a ILP program because it's a really fascinating learning program, which in which you got to learn many things, and not apart from learning, you got to know the business environment and how people work there, and they really teach you there very well. And yeah, this is the we in TCS we say it's a honeymoon period of TCS because we don't need to work a lot there, and we got to make the most many friends there. And the only thing the learning program is not it's not just about the learning the technologies in which they put in or something. It's about the learning how to behave with your colleagues, and because we were fresher back there, and these are important part of organization if we are going to join an MNC, especially in an MNC. So this was the like how I got introduced to the TCS. And overall, if you talk about the TCS, that overall how I acknowledge my experience in TCS is somewhat it's a work-life balance experience, and
So just
like I
want
know
uh-huh. Go ahead, go ahead.
I know Neelam have many questions, and we will broke down this interview into pieces, and she will do that. So proceed with that.
Okay, thank you for giving me this chance. So, I want to know about the how you got this opportunity. How did they approach to you? Yeah, like you got this,
Yes.
yeah, via LinkedIn,
Uh,
via Naukri.com, or by your referral or what? Or you got this
uh,
opportunity as a fresher, or you hired from a campus or what?
if you want to join TCS as a fresher or the experience, for experience, I would suggest the next step portal is there where you can register yourself. You can Google it and put your CV in there, and whenever they have some requirement, they will definitely contact you, or you can put the referral through your friends. So, uh, uh, I mean, everybody in IT sector knows someone who is from TCS. So this is really easy to do. And for a fresher, for fresher, I got this opportunity on a full campus placement. So if you are active in college and just keep an eye on where the company is putting all the openings, and you will definitely find, because TCS is a very popular company in IT sector, so you will find some date or a link where you can register yourself, and mostly it is from the next step portal. And there is a ninja coder program as well. You can see it on Google. From there you can uh, there are multiple coding questions, and you can participate in that, and from there they also
So,
hire as
yeah,
hire fresher.
I would like to know, if you have that link, I can, if I want to share with my people. So it would be great, if you can share.
Sorry.
You can share with us the link that you have shared. Like right now, you said the Ninja code over, right?
Yeah, sure. Let me
Yeah.
share
Meanwhile,
that.
not right now. You can share me afterwards if you wanted.
Okay,
I'll
that's
share that
that's
in
for sure.
my channel, and definitely if you want to recommend anybody in your company, you can share your email ID as well. So just want to know, TCS is a product-based company or service-based company, and I want to know how many, if they have any products, you can share knowledge about that as well.
Yeah, the TCS is a service-based company, and they have many products. They're like it's like the company is like a spider. Like it worked on every sector, like from power to communication to networking.
Wide
It
variety,
has many projects. Yes, the
all
project
over
in I
world,
was in the sorry.
all over world.
Yeah, all over world. That will be the word.
Okay.
And I worked in the financial sector. In the there's a BFS wing of TCS, and they obviously they divided every their uh, sector
So
into some unit.
in India, how many places, like how many branches are there in, or what are the headquarters
That's
in the TCS?
in India we have like TCS is having multiple campus, and the campus they are gigantic campus. Like in Sarasiri in Chennai, and in it's in Bangalore, it's in Gurugram, or it's in
Oh,
I don't it's in Noida as well. So in every major city, they have their campus, and apart from that, they have small campuses in Lucknow or Guwahati, and some places like that.
oh. Okay, yeah. So, what about the hiring process? Like, you got this opportunity, and after that, what, like, how many rounds are there for this interviews, particular interview?
Yeah. For interview, you have two rounds there. If you are going through, if you are a fresher, they will combine those round into the single one. Because from where I gone, I took the pool campus option. So for pool campus, you have a huge crowd there to get
Like,
interviewed. So what they do is they club the HR round, and I won't say it an HR round, more of a managerial round, or the personality round, maybe something like that, or and a technical round. So there will be three people asking you the questions about the technology, and what have you done in your college. This is for the fresher, and hobbies and all those things. Obviously the introduction part is there, which is very important, and if you are
so the first round,
experienced.
the first round.
Okay.
What about the first round? It is having a coding round or a written test or kind of online test or object-based questions. What kind of questions they ask?
Yeah, for fresher, it's just one round clubbed with the managers and one technical guy. So it's more of a everything's there, and you just have to answer these questions. If you are experienced, you will it depend on project. That if the position is of the client position, then the client will interview as well. Apart from that, I think there are two rounds for freshers. First one will be from first one will be from some technical guy, and second, and it will be of technical interview, and after that there will be another technical interview plus combined with the manager. So
Okay.
that is it. And if there is a client, then client will take the last round, and you will get hired after that.
Oh. So there is a main part. Like I want to know about your salary. Not like
Okay.
how much they offer for the freshers and for the experienced one, and how they start, like from where.
I would say that if you are looking for a bundle of your like uh, getting a buckloads of money, TCS is not the place to join. Maybe after every MNCs have their own pay slot, and we know that it's a service-based company, and they have their own offerings, which is lower than the product-based company.
I'm asking
And for
about the
TCS,
approximate, not asking
yes,
about the generalized
I'm
way
getting
of
into that.
asking. Okay.
Because it's TCS. Okay, so for freshers, if you are joining as freshers from after graduation, it will be of 3.6, around 3.6 to 3.5 LPA.
Okay.
And uh, I'm not sure if you're joining after 5 years of experience, maybe, or 3 years of experience, and it depends on your previous package.
Okay.
But and the designation as well, on which TCS is hiring you. Uh, After for 3 years of experience, I guess they can easily offer you, for at the present time, they can easily offer you around 10 LP. This is for sure.
That's great. So that's all, I think. And just want to know, like, what kind of works and facilities they do provide, and like it is a very huge campus. So what
Yeah,
kind of like cabs, like
yeah.
meals, like holidays, vacations, and kind of some kind of posters events you used to visit, or if there is any abroad opportunities, you can apply for IJP. So
TCS has many on-site opportunity. If you want to go abroad, I guess it's in IT sector, it's this place to join TCS and go, because you got not easily, but if you stay there for 2 or 3 years of, maybe you can, and work hard there, you can get the on-site opportunity. And apart from that, TCS does provide the cab facilities, and a meal card is there, which is tax free. And apart from that, they have their events like Holi, Diwali. They have their events, and yeah, they have huge campus, and each campus has have the cafeteria with where the food is like they have discount on foods and something like that. But apart from that, yeah, they do provide the loan facility there. If you want to have the home loan or car loan, such things are always available
what
there.
about like if you have a bachelor degree and you want to like take a master degree, or you want to pursue some others degree? So do they provide
Yeah,
support for that as well? And or
yeah,
training of that?
they have such facility where you can go and uh, pursue an any higher degree, and they will hire you back after that. So they do, they also reimburse some amount of that course as well. But after that, they have some bond, like if after completing that degree or some, or whatever it is, you have to work in TCS for some designation for some period of time. So yeah, they do have such facility there.
Oh, so kind of like they will like apart from that, the whole package is they do provide kind of lot of opportunities for freshers and for the experienced ones, like, right?
Yeah, yeah. TCS is a good company to join and learn. And also, if the best feature is work-life balance, which is a very rare to find in IT sector. So that's a good part of this.
Okay. So yeah, that's all from my side. Okay. And if you like
Okay.
to like, I will not going to record that, but let me finish that.